They tryna bring me down. I'm trapping all day, gotta keep me in a cage. Rhymes cut deep like a razor blade. Made it by any means, I'm chasing my dreams. I'm out of control and they feeling my flow. Finding my way on a summer day. Now they tryna say you ain't got time to hesitate. I rise above the hate and it's never gon' fade. I'm always getting paid. Yeah, I got time to hesitate, but I keep my best straight. Ain't nobody got time to speculate. Watch me elevate. Let me straight, no time to play, that's the only way. I'm grinding all day, that's unshakable. I'm unbreakable, we always winning, never switching. I keep climbing, ain't no denying. They can't stand it, ain't nothing new. Pouring up for my crew, keep holding me down with the top down. You know I'm hustling, ain't got nothing to worry about. Always maintaining, never gonna change. It's just a game, I'll abide, and I'm riding, I'm ready to die. Can't be compromised, no fear in my eyes. I'm living large, you ain't holding me back. I'm chasing my bag, you know we tough, we ain't good enough. Yeah, they piling up with my whole team on track, gotta get it back. Pockets filled with racks, keep making a splash. I'm talking that trash, moving it fast, yeah I'm chasing the cash. Ain't no need for counterfeit, rocking designer fits. Made it out the concrete, I raised above the heat. On my gang we run 10 deep, no shoes on my feet. You know how I go, I gotta start with a flow. Down too deep, no time for sleep. Ain't got time for fake friends and snakes. Can't trust no one, they just talk. I gotta stay on top, no room for doubt, gotta make it out. Oh boy, couldn't fill the void. They needed to hustle, me and my family struggled. I won't let it defeat me, I never had it easy. Try to bring me down, but I'm wearing the crown. I won't drown and I won't back down. I'll never cry, gotta reach for the sky, boys do or die. Nothing can interfere, I gotta push through the year. I ain't living in fear, I'll never shed a tear. Takes two, and you know we okay.